In this video, we explored how to improve your trading setup in 2025 using a powerful TradingView Indicator combo. First, the Target Trend Indicator by Big Beluga is added and customized by changing the trend length to 25 and adjusting the style for better visual clarity. Then, chart aesthetics are cleaned up, removing candle borders, wicks, and bodies for a more color-based view. You monitor color shifts green for bullish, orange for bearish, and use those points for entry signals. Next, the RSI histogram by D-Man is introduced. Its settings are tweaked, RSI length set to 16 and MA length to 7. The idea is to align bullish signals green trend with bullish histogram columns or bearish signals orange trend with bearish histogram columns. When both indicators align in direction, that's your entry signal. While the process may feel technical at first, this strategy provides a clear visual method to confirm trends and improve decision making. Use it to test your strategy and find better trade setups and do your own research.